Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Pav Bhaji, the popular street food in India. So let's get started. First of all, we have to add butter in our pan. This is around like 2 tablespoons of butter. And while we are waiting for the butter to be heated, we are going to mash all potatoes. Our butter is heated. So now I'm going to put my 2 green chilies. Along with that, I have to put this onions. This is chopped onion. And cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onion becomes translucent. So now our onions is cooked. So now I'm gonna add my green peas over here. It is about like a half cup of green peas. And along with that, I'm gonna add my chopped capsicum. And we have to cover it for a minute. Just keep checking, guys. So guys, it's been 2 minutes, and so we are going to check our green peas and capsicum over here. So guys, this is well done. So now I'm gonna add my tomatoes over here. It's been 5 minutes, guys, so we're going to check our green peas and capsicum over here. So it's dry. So now we're going to add our ginger garlic paste. Let the ginger garlic paste cook for a minute. And now we are going to add our spices. And this is my secret ingredient, guys. This is a 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce. Now guys, it looks good. Now it seems cooked. So now we are going to add our mixed vegetables. This is how it looks like. This was carrot, potatoes, and cauliflower. So mix it all together until it is well done. So now guys, this is how it looks like. So this is the time to put in our Pao Bhaji masala. This Pav Bhaji masala is made by me. This is homemade. You can also buy it in the market, but it is good if you make it at home because it is more healthy. This is very easy. Maybe next time I can do a video and show it to you how to make it. So now guys, we have to add the water on it because it's so dry. We wanted a little bit of gravy in it. This is 1 glass of water. Steel glass. We are going to mix it. Mix it all together. The smell is so good, guys. You have to try this at home. Especially those Filipino who married Indian and residing in India or outside the country. You can try this and let your husband try it. I know they miss this recipe a lot. Okay guys, for me it is like a little bit dry, so I added like 3/4 glass more of water in it. And now this is the time to add salt. So here I got a salt, 1 teaspoon and another 1 teaspoon, and this is according to your taste. Okay guys, we are going to blend this now, just like that, until it becomes what do you call this, mashed. Yeah guys, when you are blending this one, you have to be careful. Switch off the fire or lower the fire, as what I did, and blend it slowly because it might splash in your face. Now guys, this is how it looks like after blending it. So now you can increase the fire. This one looks so thick for me, so I want to add like half of this steel glass of water. Okay, this is the coriander leaves. Then mix it together. It's done that, guys. So now we switch off the fire and cover it and leave it for about a minute. So now guys, our bhaji is done. So now we're going to make the pao. So now guys, I have opened all the paos here, just the same as you make the burger. Just cut it into half, then put some butter and put in a towel and put some butter on top of it, so that when you turn it later on, butter will be there. So it's been a minute guys, we are going to turn it. This is how it looks like guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Drop your comments in the comment section below and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you.